Use a polymer-modified thinset mortar designed for floors and moisture to ensure tiles bond firmly in a laundry room. Start by confirming the subfloor type and condition because adhesion begins beneath the tile. For concrete, remove sealers and latents by mechanical abrasion or acid etch, and then clean thoroughly until no dust remains. For plywood or oriented strand board, install a cement backer board or a suitable uncoupling membrane to provide a stable, non-flexing surface and fasten it per manufacturer directions. Always use a polymer-modified thinset rated for floor and moisture use, and follow the manufacturer proportioning when mixing with clean water, mixing to a creamy, slump-resistant consistency and letting it slake for the recommended time before remixing. Apply the thinset with the appropriate notch trowel size so the mortar bed covers at least 90% of the tile back for interior rooms, and 100% coverage under large format or heavy tiles and around perimeter edges and seams. Set tiles with firm, even pressure and use a beating block or rubber mallet lightly to collapse the mortar ridges and achieve full contact. Periodically lift a tile to confirm proper transfer. Common mistakes include leaving contaminants or old adhesive on the subfloor, which prevents bonding, so always scrape and clean down to a sound surface and use a primer if the manufacturer recommends it. Another frequent issue is undermixing or over-thinning thinset, creating weak mortar. Measure water, mix to the specified consistency, follow the slake time, and discard thinset after its pot life expires. Movement or deflection in the substrate will crack tile and break adhesion. So do not tile over unsupported or flexible plywood without installing a backer board or uncoupling membrane, and fasten everything per instructions to control movement. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lets us exchange real project experiences related to tile adhesion and laundry room work. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share tips, ask questions, and find practical help for repair and installation projects.